What's up, y'all? I am back with another video. Today we are decorating my salon suite. Well, putting up the grass wall. I was trying to do it myself, but I couldn't find the grass. So the Holy Spirit put Brittany Joe on my mind. She's an event planner, decorator. Don't quote me. I'm gonna let her introduce herself to y'all. She's amazing. I'll put all her information in the description box below. Y'all see my God Will Provide period shirt. I'm gonna put the link in the bio so y'all can get that too. And let's just go get started. Okay, y'all, so I made it. Brittany's over here prepping and everything ready, and she says she not no interior. What are you?
I am not an interior designer. I am an event planner.
Yes.
So I design parties.
Tell them where they can find you.
You can find me at Facebook at BeyondTheCelebration.com, Instagram Beyond the Celebration, BeyondTheCelebration.com. Find me everything Beyond the Celebration.
Yes, she is amazing. You hear me? We're gonna do this wall, and she's telling me to put this picture up. And we're gonna put the grass
around it.
Around it.
You should, because where were you gonna put it?
I was taking it home because it was in my old suite.
Oh, but where did you put it in your old suite?
On the big blank wall, but it was just that by itself.
Yeah, let's see how it looks. Okay, let's lift it. See, and then
it died, but we're gonna put the picture up, and she said that she's gonna leave me a couple of grass squares just in case I change my mind and take it down. I can always put these up. In the comment section, let me know if you think I should keep it up or take it down. Here's a clip of the grass panel she used. Here, it's a total of 2 boxes, but remember we ran out, so she had to get another one. So she used a total of 3 boxes. Hey girl. So initially I wanted the grass on the other wall, but when she seen it over FaceTime, she was like, no, do this wall. And then now that she's here in person, she's like, you know what, we should do the other wall. So that's what you've seen us discussing. And now we've switched and we're doing the right side of the wall. And you guys, it was so easy to apply these panels. All she used was clear thumbtacks. So all you need is the panels, some scissors to cut whatever you don't use off, and clear thumbtacks. That's it.
Dang, maybe you were right. So you need 13, 14 on the same side to fill up about 14. That's a lot.
Okay, you guys, so we ran out of grass. However, help is on the way. And I will be back with the finished look. And here's the final look. Oh my God, I absolutely love it. It came out better than I expected. Don't forget to comment. Let me know if you think I should keep the picture or take it down and put the letters in the middle. I'm happy that I put the picture up, actually. Also, in the description box, I'll put the company that I went through for my sign. Yeah, so don't forget to like, comment what you think, and subscribe to my channel if you already haven't. Thank you guys. Until next time. Mwah.